What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Out, doing the last and final Raz for the night. This is a two-winner Raz. Top two names after four get a McDavid top name, gets a rookie showcase relic chest patch, and Larkin. I valued the McDavid at about $200, and I valued the Larkin at about $125, and done it at 30 spots, 30 Canadian, 10 spots. So I thought it was pretty fair. Good luck, guys. Top two names here are taking it home live. Good luck. Four randoms, and this is your time in Newfoundland. 12:32. Chris down to Jonathan. Timestamps on 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. You're looking to be top two names here. At the rates Chris going, guys, anyone winning anything besides him right now would be a miracle. 12:32. 12:32. Last and final. Good luck. There you have it. Chris taking home the McDavid chest patch, and Morgan taking home the Dylan Larkin rookie patch auto, guys. Congrats on those. Spots 3 and 2 done it for you. Last and final timestamp on the two cards. These will be getting out on our next mail day. All right, 12:33 and 12:33 it is. So, Chris, you are taking home the McDavid brother. We got some big packages coming to you shortly. And Morgan, you are taking home the Dylan Larkin. Also, beautiful cards. So, congrats, guys, on that. Appreciate you filling up the Raz. We'll see you tomorrow. And congrats again to the winners.